So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Colourpop Mar Palette. This is it right here. Well, this is basically the packaging for it, and this is what it actually looks like. The palette right here is their blue, basically I'm gonna call it their blue palette that they posted online a couple of weeks ago. They put it online on a Friday, and then I ordered it on Friday once it dropped at 1, well, my time at 1, and then it actually arrived yesterday, which is Thursday. So yeah, it took about 6 days for it to ship to me, and I think that's pretty good. I only had to wait basically a week to get it. And the reason I bought this palette was because basically the blues in here, I got so many ideas from it. The swatches of this that they did online were so beautiful. I was like, I could do at least 4 looks with this palette, and that's my idea for palettes that I buy now. If I can do more than 4 looks with it, then I'm most likely going to buy it. So yeah, basically I'm going to do a couple swatches with this. I'm going to take this blue one right here in the middle, which is why I bought it really, and put it right here. See, these are so pigmented. Take this dark navy blue, and then I'm going to take this greenish blue right here. This teal. Basically this palette gives me mermaid vibes, yeah. So today I want to do a really nice halo eye with this, using the colors that I just showed you, and also with a brown and orange, and just really smoke it out and get it really nice, you know, just all around, just give me a new eye look. I already done my face and my eyebrows were, so basically I'm just going to be zooming in to give you a full look with what this palette has to have. So first I'm gonna go over this shade right here, and I forgot to say that they have the name of the shades on the back of this packaging, and I think that's really good. And then it has a covering for the mirror to keep that protected. I never really take out my mirror covers, which is something I never do. So I'm just going with this color right here called Boozy. Yes, and I'm gonna just go in and put it in my crease. Ooh. It actually showed up a lot better than I was thinking. It's like a nice peach, not peach, but I feel like every brown that comes into my eye now is turning like a little orangey peach now. I don't know what that is, but just know it's not a true brown on my skin, or a nice tannish brown on my skin. It's actually like one thing I do not like about this packaging is that it's white, so that means it's going to get dirty quicker. But because I'm basically the only one that uses packaging, like after I get done with it, I'm pretty much just going to take my makeup wipe and clean it off, because I just don't like how it looks. I do the same with my Jaclyn Hill palette. Like after I'm done with it, I take a makeup wipe and just clean it off. So if you have used Colourpop shadows before, they are a little bit powdery, but it's not like a bad powder. Like, okay, it's a bunch of powder, but I'm not getting anything on my brush. You actually are getting a lot on your brush. So as you can see, that blended out very effortlessly, and it built up very easily. Next, we're going to get this halo eye going. This is what I find works best for me anyway. So we're going to go with this color right here called Top Down. And then we're going to start working it in our inner and outer crease. Okay, I'm just going to take a smaller brush and really work it in. Is that what I want to say? So I can just get. So I put on my lashes. They're little lashes in Miami, like always. Anyway, like I said, I get it well amount of uses out of it. So now I'm just gonna do my lips. And yeah, I use the lip scrub. Yeah, lips. I'm taking the NYX lipstick and lip liner duo in Cookies and Cream. Yes. And then I'm going to take Too Faced Melted Matte Color and Queen Bee. And just put them on my lips also. Oh, I forgot how much I like this. Yeah. Anyway, so details about the palette. It was $12. Where the fuck did the palette go? How was the palette? Oh, I put it in the drawer. So things about the palette is it is $12. It is 9 shades all together, and it's actually really nice. This actually came out a lot pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. I never really tried Colourpop shadows except for the Colourpop and Makeup Shayla palette, which is the Perception palette, and obviously because she was able to collab with them, I thought this palette was going to be a different formula than that. It is actually a little bit different. I think the shimmers in these are a lot different from how the shimmers in the Makeup Shayla palette actually look. But overall, this is actually good. As you can tell that my eyelids came out still very pigmented. I can tell and define each color that is actually on my eyelid. I actually feel quite fierce. It's actually really nice. Let me actually do my hair. That'd be great. That'd be great if I should get my hair. This is the front look, but it's up. Anyway, so yeah, I actually do really like this palette, and I think it's actually going to be a staple, because you can do a lot of neutral looks with this. Like if you take the blue colors out of it, you have basically a neutral palette. But I like the fact that they gave you 3 options for blue. It's just not one blue or whatever, because you know, one blue just doesn't always do it for you. I like to have dimensions. So yeah, and I can actually use it. I can see me traveling with this whenever I do decide to travel, because I'm most likely going to go to the beach, so I want to feel like a beach chick. So I'll probably use the blue there, and then, you know, late at night I can use the neutrals in that palette. But yeah, like I said, that palette is very nice. The colors blended well. It's actually very pigmented, and actually was very easy to use. So yeah, if you like the review I did today, or any other reviews, or you want me to review anything that I actually have in my collection, because I'm not buying anything else. This is my no buy July. I just did my last click of this month. I'm not doing it no more because I'm moving and